The most important places of tourism in Chicago. This is a group of the most important tourist attractions in Chicago that you can visit, namely and is classified among the best tourist places in Chicago for families will undoubtedly make you enjoy its striking beauty and enjoy the splendor of the views which you get from its location on the city of Chicago. Number 1 _ Millennium Park, Chicago. Number 2 _ the Field Museum of Natural History. Number 3 _ Lincoln Zoo. Number 4 _ Shade Aquarium is one of the largest aquariums in the world, and you can rest in the seats that are designated for sitting. You will also find unique style sculptures that interest you, as well as beautiful fountains and beautiful water pools. Sports fans can find spaces in Millennium Park in Chicago that offer them the opportunity to enjoy some sports activities such as walking and jogging in the designated tracks, and they can also rent one of the bicycles available in the park.